up, guys? How's it going? For those of you that know who I am, welcome back to this channel. And for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Mike, aka Spot, and welcome to this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that button below and subscribe. I promise you, you guys will be happy with all the videos that I feed you guys this year. So if you've seen any of my videos, you could see that I like doing travel videos, I like doing vlogs, I like doing adventure videos, but this year I wanna change things up. I want things to be a little more personal this year. So with that being said, today is gonna be a huge day. Today, I will be adopting a puppy. My fiance Anna has no idea what's about to happen. She might kill me, she might, but I think once she sees this cute puppy, she'll forgive me pretty quickly. Let me take this call real quick. Hello? Alright, so that was actually a huge call. So, let me give you a little background real quick. Let me get to it because I really want to make this happen pretty quickly. But anyways, so I just got a call from the person that I'm adopting a dog from. And she told me she's 5 minutes away from the location, so I'm about to go pick her up. And I am so excited! I hope you guys are too. So we have two pets right now. We have Tyson, which has been a big part of my life for over 10 years. If you don't know who Tyson is, hit this link above and you can see the video that we did last week. Tyson is my dog and I adopted him 10 years ago when I was in college. And when me and Anna first started dating, we went to go get some dog food and we saw this little kitten that kind of resembled Tyson. We fell in love, we brought him home. Not sure how they were gonna get along, but last night my friend Laura, shout out to you Laura, thank you. She tagged me on this post about a puppy, but what really sold me on the puppy was that it was up for adoption. So I went crazy. I contacted the Miami Animal Rescue right away and they told me they had over 20 applicants for this puppy, so I was a little worried. So what I did, I sent them this video and that video is me and Tyson and they messaged me right away. That video hit us so hard it got to our heart and you're approved. So we kind of cheated. I kind of cheated. But anyways, who cares, right? Anna has no idea what's going on. I want you guys to join me, so I gotta leave. I'm about to go pick up Raven, so join me. You're gonna see Raven for the first time, and I can't wait to meet her. And you're gonna see Anna's reaction. And let's go pick up Raven. Filled with excitement, I rushed out of the house as quickly as possible, and I started heading to the location we decided to meet.
Hi, mucho gusto. Oh my God, Raven!
I can honestly say, I felt an instant connection. I think she knew she was heading home. But before we leave, I had to make one quick stop and buy her a bow so we could surprise Anna.
We're about to go get a little bow for Raven so she can surprise Mommy. Mommy's gonna love you so much. She's gonna love you so much. Alrighty, so we got her little bow. And now we're gonna go home, show Mommy, and Mommy is gonna go crazy for you. But you first gotta meet Max and Tyson. I think Anna is gonna fall in love instantly. Like, this dog is heaven. She smells like heaven. Like, she is so cute. Alright guys, I can't wait for you guys to see her reaction because she is gonna die.
Getting to the house, I wasn't really sure how Tyson and Max were gonna get along with our new puppy. So as soon as I got home, I sat down with Tyson and had a quick talk. It was obvious Tyson really wasn't crazy about her, but after a few minutes of getting to know each other and playing around, it seemed like they were having a great time. So now that Tyson kind of welcomed her to the family, it's time to surprise Anna. Let's see how she reacts. She's about to walk in and I'm gonna surprise her. Let's see how that goes. Baby, I got a little surprise for you. She was adopted.
By who?
By me.
Serious right now?
Yeah.
Where did you get her? I'm your mommy. I'm your mommy.
see the dog. She's not crazy about the name Raven, so now we're thinking about new names. Before going crazy, finding the right name, we decided to bust some doggy missions. Her first little visit to the groomers. After behaving so well at the groomers and making all the groomers fall in love, it was time to head back to the house to play with her big brother, Tyson. So after a long day of playing, running around, and bonding with her brother, we still couldn't agree on a name. The good thing is, we have family and friends coming over, so hopefully they can help us decide on a name. And with no shame at all, she makes herself feel right at home, eating out of Tyson's bowl, quickly making new friends, and showing no signs of fear. That's when I knew she was gonna be a great addition to the family. She even tried playing with Tyson when Tyson didn't want to play with her. But that wasn't gonna stop her from having a great night. She had new friends. But now, the night is coming to an end, and we still hadn't decided on a name. So Anna and I decided to play a game.
I asked Michael, I was like, let's put a tree on each name and have her pick her own name. So, our little baby picked Mila. Mila Jimenez, that's her final name. We have a new baby girl, Mila Jimenez.